Swingful day yesterday for crude and net gas. Both have seen a lows and then recovered strongly on the upside and traded bullish. In fact, now both trading at a critical resistance levels at 71.5 and net gas at 2.3. So now what to expect today? Which position you should take trading crude and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Second update will be released before the US session today. Was that also you can be part of my free telegram channel where you get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into US crude WTI followed with net gas to watch till the end. Now WTI very good resistance at 72 levels on the hourly charts. Also it tried to breach, failing to sustain, again has dropped, hence a buy entry only is above 72 where you can expect 72.5, 73. Now till 74 you have to just put a $0.50 trailing stop loss. Beyond 74 only you can confirm that oil has reversed and it is going to fly high. Now also remember, after this drop here till 70.2 we have seen a V-shaped recovery and now again it is trying to trade in this box. Now it is clear that there is an intent of bullishness here and hence beyond 72 certainly one should stay long. Directional movement crossing over for a sell on the early charts. Stochastic has dropped. MACD in green here. RSI has also dropped a bit. But look at the 2-hour charts. Now on the 2-hour charts, it appears clear case of consolidation here. And till at least 71, because 71 another good support here. You can sell here at 71, but then 70.6, 70.2 levels. And see, it has given higher lows. Remember, this is the support and since then it has given higher lows. So first round of rise, retracement. Now it is looking forward to second round of rise and hence do not miss the opportunity to stay long above 72. Direction movement bullish, stochastic has dropped. MACD is looking for, see, that is what I am talking about in the 2-hour charts. First wave is done, it is looking forward to the second wave. And with breaching past 72, it will also, this MACD will also cross over and it will also start to look upwards. RSI looking down. And on the 3-hour charts, now on the 3-hour charts it is forming a flag, bulls, then flag till 71. Do not sell crude today. Only below 71 there could be little bearishness, which is still I will not consider this as bearish till the time it respects 70 levels. Yes, you can wait for 70.6 and 70.2 levels on the downside. However, only below 70 the bears might prevail. Direction movement moderately bullish here. Stochastic at a little overbought zone, not overbought but at the top there. Look at MACD, first wave, second wave. If it crosses over we can see more bullishness. RSI almost flat. And on the 4-hour charts, one important point to note here is the bottom it has created and the V-shaped recovery it has shown. Also if you look at, it has breached past the support for once, that is at 74 levels, breached past the resistances. But look at the 4-hour chart. See, one big bullish candle trying to form a flag. Any move above 72 should bring more bullishness there. I'll wait for 72.6 levels and 73 levels, 73.6 and 74 levels are the next resistances. Likewise, it may achieve higher highs. You can see this also here. Rise, retracement. Second round will bring more bulls out there. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic at top. MACD. Now see on the 4-hour charts, this is one concern point here. See, after this good bullish move, we have seen MACD divergent and bearish. Now it can bring it a little down till 71. 71 is going to be another good support. But remember, on the upside, the space is still available for it. If it converges, crosses over, more bullishness may prevail there. RSI almost flat. And on the daily charts, now on the daily charts, 3 red candles, diminishing body size, which means that the bearishness certainly diminished. This could be the sign of a reversal here. 3 couple of green candles forming the bottom. Rise, retracement. Any breakout above 72 should be taken up seriously. We can expect 74, 75 levels. Now see, it is, oil is trading in this box. It has to come out of the box, and which means it has to stay out of 74, 75 zone. Then you can confirm for a reversal. Right now it is trading sideways and hence one has to just keep taking the profits in between this zone itself, and that is why above 72 certainly more bullishness may prevail. Moving averages are bearish as of now. Both have not started to converge. Directional movement is also bearish. Stochastic at top here, and look at MACD. See, the MACD is the one which is still looking with a bullish bias. It's still trading with a bullish bias. RSI almost flat. Considering this, buy at 72, sell at 71. Below 71, one has to wait for 70 levels to be breached. 70.6, 70.2, very, very good support. And if this is taken, then you can expect 69.5 and 69 levels. Till 69, in fact, till 68, one should not consider this as bearish. It can bounce back, recover strongly on the upside. Now, on the upside, if you're buying at 72, 72.6, 73, 73.6, 74, and remember, once it breaks past beyond 74 levels, see the next resistance it is going to get is at 80, 83 zone, which it needs to break past by in order to confirm the bullish rise. So this is the first milestone it is looking to break past by, that is at 74. Certainly staying above this, more bullishness may prevail, and one has to watch it cautiously, because beyond that it can try to fly high. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch now starts on 1st of July. Only limited intake is available, and hence reserve your seats as early as possible. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, where trading as per the signals definitely you can benefit. Now look at the hourly charts here. Net gas on the hourly charts, it is right now trying to trade bullish. Couple of green candles trading sideways as of now. Wait for it to break past 2.32 and then 2.3. 2.32, once it is taken, you can expect 2.3436. Now till 2.4, just put a 2 cents trailing stop loss. That's it. Right now it is consolidating more, and one has to wait for a breakout above. Hence a buy entry is only about 2.32. Now if you look at directional movement, not indicative of anything, stochastic has dropped, MACD is trying to converge crossover, RSI almost flat. And on the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, moving averages have crossed over. This is the 20 and 50 period crossover. Also, if you look at, see one stronger bullish candle and now trading sideways. Wait for it to break out about 2.32. You can stay long. At the same time, below 2.28, you can sell, but then 2.26, 2.24 are greater support. Now, what it has done yesterday also, it has taken the support. See, it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs are at around 2.4 levels. Directional movement not indicative, stochastic has dropped, MACD flat, RSI flat, and likewise on the 3-hour charts. Remember, at least net gas has come out of this classical cycle and now trying to trade bullish here. See, moving averages have also converged here and showed the signs of bullishness there. Also, if you look at, see the drop there, the rise there. On the upside, the potential till towards 2.4 levels exists, and hence beyond 2.32 one can stay long. Right now, if you look at the 3-hour charts, getting stronger resistance here at 2.315 and 2.31 levels, and hence 2.32 is the safe entry for you to trade gas. At the same time, you can sell here. See, 2.28 is a very good support. You can sell there, but then 2.26 is the major support, and then 2.24 levels. Direction movement bullish, stochastic at top, MACD trying to converge crossover, RSI flat, and on the 4-hour, look at the 4-hour charts here. Same thing, and waiting for a breakout, and hence any move about 2.32 certainly can take it till towards 2.35, 2.4 levels. And same, the stochastic is little overbought here. The 4-hour chart, the MACD is trying to converge. It has seen good bullishness, but it is still trading at around 0 levels, and hence it can show you complete recovery from here. RSI almost flat, and on the daily charts, you can see the bottom here at 2.06, rise, retracement, higher highs, retracement, higher lows. Now higher highs, higher lows, this is the cycle in which it is trying to trade. It is still bullish. I have told several times, I have indicated several times, till net gas respects 2.06. For long run, one can stay bullish, one can expect a rise, one can expect that at least $3 and in fact $5 levels in the near term or mid term, that is 3 to 6 months, we may see net gas hitting those levels till the time it respects $2 levels. Now, if you see on the daily charts, it has filled the gap with yesterday's drop. There was a gap available, it has filled the gap, and the moving average is now giving it a little resistance, and hence 2.4 is the critical level which it should pass by. Once it breaches beyond 2.4, certainly you can expect a V-shaped recovery, which might take it till towards 2.6, 2.8 and higher levels. And hence you can buy here at today at 2.32 and expect a rise. See, the direction movement here is bearish. Stochastic is also rising. The MACD, which has seen a sharp drop, is now trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI is almost flat, and hence 2.32 is the buying zone and 2.28 is the selling zone, but then 2.28, 2.26, 2.24 till 2.2 it has got maximum resistance. Do not consider this as bearish till 2.2 levels are respected. Below 2.2 it is still 2.15, 2.1 levels which is going to come into picture for support of net gas. Hence, you can buy here at 2.32, sell at 2.28. Still the downside, I will say you have to remain watchful, alert, cautious. Do not consider this as bearish. It can bounce back, recover strongly, and hence any sell trade should be taken with a trailing stop loss. And on the buy side also till 2.4 is respected today, you have to put a trailing stop loss. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship and join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.